Hey there! Thank you for watching my new video. Today I want to show you another chevron stitch, and this is a simple chevron stitch and it's made with double crochets instead of single crochets, and you can see it's a little bit less pointy, more like a wave, and you can come up with a blanket or whatever you want to make it a bit quicker because of the double crochets instead of single crochets. And I made this in one color so you can see what it does when you are using just one color. And before I'm going to show you, I want to ask if you could subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications so you get a message when I upload a new video. And if you want to help me develop my channel so I can still make videos for you, then there are two links in the description below where you can donate and help me, and I would really appreciate that. And now I just want to show you how to make this simple chevron stitch. So I'm going to take my yarn, and I've got a crochet hook of 5 millimeters. And first let's make a slip knot. And you need to make a multiple of 10 plus 4 for this pattern. So first I'm going to make a multiple of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I'm going to make it 30 chains wide, and now I need to add 4 more chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4. For row 1 we're going to skip the first 3 chains, in the next one make a double crochet, and the 3 chains we skipped count as a double crochet, and where we put our double crochet in, that counts as 1 stitch. So in fact these will be counting as 2 double crochets in 1 stitch. And for this pattern it's just for a group of 3 every time. So for the next 3 stitches we're going to make 1 double crochet in every stitch. So here's 1 double crochet, to the next stitch 1 double crochet, and into the next stitch 1 double crochet. So the beginning starts with just 2, so the ending is also 2 double crochets, and in between is always a group of 3. Now we need to go into a valley. You've got peaks and valleys. So this will be the upper side. We need to go down, up again, down, up again. So for the next 3 stitches we need to make a double crochet 3 together. So yarn over, into the next stitch, drop a loop, yarn over, pull the first 2 loops on your hook, leave the other ones. Now yarn over, into the next stitch, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, leave the other ones. Yarn over, into the next stitch, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. And now you can see you have 3 not finished double crochets with 4 loops on your hook. Now yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. Now for the next 3 stitches make 1 double crochet in every stitch. So this is the first, to the next stitch, that's the second double crochet next to each other, and into the next is the third. So we went from up to down, we need to go up again, and that means we need to make 3 double crochets in 1 stitch. So in this stitch, in the next stitch, we're going to make 3 double crochets. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, all in just 1 stitch. And now let's repeat all this until we are at the end. For the next 3 stitches make 1 double crochet in every stitch. So we went from up to down to up, and we are going down again. So make a double crochet 3 together over the next 3 stitches. So yarn over, into the next stitch, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, into the next stitch, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over into the next stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So you see here you are not finished double crochets over here. 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4. For the next 3 stitches, make 1 double crochet in every stitch. And 3. So we went down with decreasing, we need to increase. So in the next stitch make 3 double crochets, all in just 1 stitch. So 1, 2 and 3. For the next 3 stitches make 1 double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. So we went from increase, now we are going down again, so we need to decrease. So over the next 3 stitches make it 3 double crochet together, or double crochet 3 together. Now at the end I've got 4 stitches left, so for the first 3 stitches, or the next 3 stitches, I'm sorry, make 1 double crochet in every stitch. And into the last stitch make 2 double crochets, because you started with 2 double crochets, so you need to end with 2 double crochets too. And now you can see the chevron coming up on this pattern. So chain 3 for the next row, and this is just a 1 row repeat. So what I'm going to show you is what we already did in the previous row. So the chain 3 counts as a double crochet on top of that first stitch, and make 1 more double crochet into that same first stitch. So you still have 2 double crochets at the start. Now into the next 3 stitches make 1 double crochet, now we need to decrease, so for the next 3 stitches make a double crochet 3 together. Four loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4. Now make a double crochet in every next 3 stitches. And if you're doing it correctly, the next stitch will be the center of your 3 double crochets you just made in 1 stitch. So here's that 1 stitch over here with 3 double crochets. So you made your third in it, that one next to the center here. So this is the center. So make 3 double crochets all in it, just one in that 1 stitch. Like this. Now we need to go down again, so for the next 3 stitches make 1 double crochet, now we need to decrease, so for the next 3 stitches make a double crochet 3 together, four loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4. Oh well, my yarn is going away. For the next 3 stitches, hope it focuses. Yeah, for the next 3 stitches make 1 double crochet in every stitch. Into the next stitch make 3 double crochets just in 1 stitch. Now for the next 3 stitches, make 1 double crochet. Now we need to decrease again, so make a double crochet 3 together. Now I'm at the end, I've got 3 double crochets left and a chain 3. So for the next 3 stitches, make 1 double crochet. And then in the 3rd chain, so 1, 1, 2, 3, make 2 double crochets, all in just 1 stitch. And there it is, it's your simple chevron. So just repeat this row which I just showed you, and you can see how the pattern is coming nicely along. So you get a quicker result into height because you're using double crochets, and the previous videos were with single crochets, so it's smaller. But it's also nice to make this in more colors if you want to, but I just wanted to show you how it looks in just one color. And if you have any leftover yarns, then you can use it up for a nice blanket or a pillow cover or maybe a cardigan. So this is what I wanted to show you. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me them in the comment section below. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.